Hey y'all, and welcome back to another video with Hyluronic. Today's video, if you already read the title, you already know what this is about. But in this video, I'm going to be microneedling my skin. Typically, I do this myself at home. It's been a while since I've done it, but it's time for me to do it again because I have some like this. I have a deep hyperpigmentation marks that I don't necessarily want. And my birthday is coming up. My birthday is in 12 days. Today is June 5th and my birthday is on the 17th. So before I go to town, I just want to like touch up my skin, make sure it's looking flawless. I just have on this regular white tank top, something that's okay to get dirty. I could throw in the washing machine if need be. Step one is going to be washing my face. So I'm about to use a good clarifying wash to really thoroughly wash my face. I have some moisturizer on right now because I went outside a little earlier this morning. Wear your SPF, ladies. This is the one that I use. It's a moisturizer and an SPF at the same time. IntelliShade Clear has 50 SPF, good stuff. You can even use a moisturizer and this is a SPF alone. This is the SPF that I have as a standalone from Dr. Dennis Gross. Oil free, this is really good as well. And I have oily skin, so I like to use products that don't consist of a lot of oil. And this have a 50 SPF as well. So use your SPF. For washing, I'm going to use Revision's Brightening Facial Wash. It's really good for cleansing the skin, and I need a really good cleanse before we get started. And a really good cleanse helps with the numbing as well. When you have like dirty skin and stuff, it can't penetrate where it needs to. So you want to clean, good, thorough. All right, lashes are wet, so I'm really looking bold-eyed, but that's neither here nor there. Get into the facial care. Well, as y'all saw, I did a good thorough wash, and I'm not going to put on any moisturizer or anything after because we want the skin to stay nice and clean and dry. And microneedling is putting things into your skin. We don't want to put moisturizer into our skin. Now we're gonna go on with our Lidocaine cream. This is how it looks when you open it. Really jelly-like, like a burn cream. And I'm just going to take some. It's just like a cream. I don't know how to explain that, but I'm gonna take some. And I'm gonna wash this off too. We're not gonna do microneedling with this on our skin. This washes off as well. We're gonna apply this like a moisturizer, but not as deep. You just wanna rub it on the surface of your skin. You're not rubbing it in. Rub that on the surface of your skin. And I'm starting to feel the tingle already. Already I'm feeling the tingle. I'm gonna let this sit for about 25 to 30 minutes. And then I'm gonna come back when it's time to wash this off and get started with our treatment. I'm back and it's been 23 minutes. So I counted from 5:50 and right now it's 6:23. So it's been about 20. Wait, is that 23 minutes? That's 33 minutes. Girl, we way past the time. 33 minutes. So I'm about to go ahead and wash this off my face and then we're gonna get started with the skincare treatment, okay? All right, so I just washed my face again. I'm patting it dry. My face feels like it's fake now. It's like so stiff. So I'm not gonna talk too much because I don't want the numbing to wear off, but I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the routine. So before we get started, I'm gonna take an exfoliating pad, put a little bit of alcohol on there. I'm just gonna wipe my pen off completely just to make sure it's nice, clean, sterile. Now take my needle. There's like a little punch line. I don't know if y'all can see that, but that's on there. So I'm gonna open it like this. So this is what the needle looks like. This is the part that goes inside the pen, and this is the cartridge. This is the 36 needle part. So you can see all of the needles on here. And then it goes in here like this. It just clicks and snaps. Once it's on, you twist it, and it's good. Doesn't fall out. And then the needle is in there and it's vibrating. I don't know if you can tell. But as I showed you earlier with the depth points, it goes more up and more down. All right, so I'm gonna start at 1.5. I'm gonna let y'all know how that feels. If I feels like I need to go any deeper, then I'll just turn it up. And I'm just gently working it across my forehead. It doesn't feel too numb anymore right here on my forehead, so it's a little painful. But I'm just lightly going across. This part isn't so bad because it's still numb. See, I'm hitting that little spot. Even the under eye. And all of that. So I just finished with the treatment. My face is hella tight from the treatment. Forehead is tight, my skin is tight. Everything is just really like gripped down. And of course my skin looks really dry. So instead of using warm water, I'm gonna use cool water this time, and a more like sensitive, calm and soothing soap. So I'm gonna just wash with this. We're gonna make our mask, and then we're gonna mask and then moisturize after our mask. We're gonna let our mask sit for like 30 minutes, but we'll get there. Let me wash and then I'll be back. So I just washed my face again with just cold water and that light soap that I showed y'all. I wanna keep my skin soothed, make sure it doesn't get irritated, and I'm just gonna pat dry. I usually use apple cider vinegar to mix this, but I don't have any apple cider vinegar right now. So I'm gonna just use some water, and I'm gonna put a little bit of arnica in here to help with the healing process. I made my mix, I made the clay mask. This is what it looks like. It's really thick consistency, like almost paste. And I did add some arnica cream in there because it's good for healing and like soothing the skin. I'm about to apply this and let it sit for about another 30 minutes. If you've never tried this before, it's very like skin tightening. Like it goes on loose, but then it starts to really tighten the skin. And I don't have a mask spreader for my face, so I'm just going to use a fork. Please don't judge me. The mask. And then other side. Mask is applied, and clearly you only need a little bit because I still have a whole lot left. I'm gonna let this sit for another 30 minutes, and then I'll be back once it hardens and once it's time to rinse it off. So sit down, watch some TV, and I'll be back once this is all dried up. I'm back and I'm getting ready to rinse my mask off. The time is now 7:32, 3 now, and I waited a good like 30 minutes. I started at like 7:05, and I said I was gonna wait till 7:30. So the mask is already super tight. My skin is like scrunched up for dear life, but I'm about to rinse this off. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I can barely touch my skin. All right, I'm about to rinse this off because I hate the way it starts looking once I do all this stretching. It gives me like goosebumps, and when I rinse it off, it's like nasty in my sink. So I'm about to hurry and rinse this off, wash my face again, and then I'll be back with my moisturizer and aftercare like routine. Look at that skin. Look at that skin, babe. Look at that skin, babe. All right, mask is off. Oop, I'm wiping. I should not be wiping. I should be dabbing like I just told y'all. So here I go. Let me dab my skin. So I washed it off with some warm water, and then I went in with just cold water to calm my skin down. Keep it soothed. Just gonna moisturize my skin. Put the moisture back in there. It helps it start healing. So, and this is the moisturizer that I'm going to use, the collagen moisturizer. So this is also good for getting collagen and elasticity back into the skin, because my face is really dry now. So I'm probably going to use a little extra than I usually use, just to kind of lather my face in some moisturization, because it's really dry. But it's so like smooth and soft. And a little lip care. All right, y'all, so I'm all the way done with the process. Y'all see me wash, like prep. I showed y'all the instruments and tools that I use, the face mask and everything. So now I'm finished and I'm about to log out. And I hope that this helps you if you're interested in doing microneedling at home. Again, if you've never had it done before, maybe you should go to an esthetician first and see what they recommend for your skin. But outside of that, if you would like to do it at home, here's a tutorial, I guess, on how to do it. No, I'm not a professional. I'm not an esthetician. But this is just something that I like to do on my skin at home. So that's the way that I do it. That's my routine. I only do it probably every like 6 months, probably only twice a year. But you don't need to do it too much because it won't be like good for your skin. But that is all, and thank you for watching. If you watched all the way to the end, thank you so much. Give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and comment if you would do this at home or not. Comment if you gonna leave this up to you or you gonna leave this up to the people. Okay, I would like to know what y'all think about that. So again, this is my microneedling routine, and I'm out. Thank you for watching with Yahira Kamis, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.